Right.
You were
see that light. My sisters, brothers, uncles, cousins, never lovers, never ever got hit that time. Just looking for someone, trying to see the light. Never just looking, never finding no one. We're just trying to realize and why.